ChristyRocksXO. I'm excited for today's video. I'm going to be making a Valentine's 3-tier tray using all of 99-cent store-only products except for these 2 vases here. I did pick these up at Dollar Tree, and aren't they beautiful hearts? I just love these here. So I did pick those up at Dollar Tree, and these trays came from the 99-cent only store, which were only $1, and aren't they so cute? I'm obsessed with this XO tray because, you know, it's XO till I overdose. So I picked up this tray here, and I just love the marbling with the purple. Oh, it's just so pretty. And then I also picked up this pink tray here and this purple tray, and I think these are so gorgeous. So it's only gonna cost me $5 to make this. You're also gonna need some E6000 glue, which I already have this on hand, and that's pretty much all you're gonna need. So let's go ahead and let's get started making our 3-tier tray. So I decided to keep this tray at the top because it has the XOXO, and I don't want to hide it with the vases or anything like that. So I'm gonna put this at the top. So I'm gonna go ahead and let's see. I think I want the purple on the bottom and the pink in the middle. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, so the first thing that I like to personally do is I like to wash my trays and my cups. So I went ahead and did that, and now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just going to take my glue, and I am going to be rimming the glass here with glue. Now that I have all of the glue on my vase, I'm simply going to turn it over, and I'm going to find the middle of my tray, and I'm simply going to put my glass on top of it. I'm just going to press down for a little bit, but this is going to take a few hours to dry. I'm going to go ahead and add glue to the bottom of the jar, so just load up this piece here. Make sure it's nice and full of glue, that way it ensures that your trays will stick to the glass. And as you can see here, all I'm going to be doing is taking my pink tray, and I'm going to be adding that on top of my vase. Now go ahead and try and find the middle as best as possible. I do like this glue only because it's forgiving and you can move things around and it doesn't dry immediately. So go ahead and play around and get it as straight as possible, but nothing has to be perfect. Okay, now we are on our final vase and our final tray. So all I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be once again rimming the glue on the top of the vase. My husband did have to help me because the glue was kind of hard to come out. So he's helping me here. So just go ahead and glue the vase. Now that I have the glue on my glass, I'm going to take my vase here and I'm going to put it in the middle of my tray. What I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to align this vase with the vase that's on the bottom. So try and do that as best as possible. That way that the 2 cups are sitting on top of each other. What you're going to go ahead and do is you're going to take your glue and you are going to be adding glue to the bottom of this vase. And you're simply going to be attaching your last tray. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just adding a ton of glue, that way this doesn't come undone. And here's what your 3-tier tray is going to look like. I'm loving the way it looks so far. Now I'm going to go ahead and let this tray dry overnight. As you can see, I did add some weight here at the top. That way it ensures that the glass sticks to your trays. So go ahead and do that, and also stay tuned because in the next clip I'm going to be decorating this 3-tier tray with you. I just love the way it came out. So let's go ahead and let's decorate this.
I wanna get you all alone now and go hide away from the lights, but I don't dare to, I'm too fragile, and for that I do apologize. Maybe someday we can work it out, but I'm afraid it's too late to try. Baby, I don't dare to love you, and you know the reason why. Don't you know I'm way too weak to swim? Can't you feel the waves come crashing in? Running out of safety nets, 'cause every night I fall down in the middle of the night screaming, oh my God, 'cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. I reach out in the middle of the night screaming, oh my, 'cause your love's too deep.
Here I'm going to take this heart garland that I picked up at the 99-cent only store, and I'm going to be cutting it into pieces, and I am going to be hanging those pieces off of the trays that are floating. So here's the piece that I cut off. All I'm going to do is I'm going to be adding some hot glue, and I am going to be gluing it to the top of each tray. Just like this, as you can see. I did go ahead and use a little stick to hold it up, that way I wouldn't burn my hand, so that's all I'm doing here.
Every night, I fall down in the middle of the night screaming, oh my God, 'cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. I reach out in the middle of the night screaming.
I'll also be adding these mugs that I did DIY using Dollar Tree products. I bought the mugs at Dollar Tree and I used vinyl, and I simply placed it on my mugs, and I just love the way they came out. I love the heart, and of course I love the XO.
Don't you know I'm way too weak to swim? Can't you feel the waves come crashing in? Running out of safety nets, 'cause every night I fall down in the middle of the night screaming, oh my God, 'cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. I reach out in the middle of the night screaming, oh my, 'cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. You know your love's taking us, 'cause every night I fall down in the middle of the night screaming, oh my God, 'cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. I reach out in the middle of the night screaming, oh my, 'cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep.
That's going to end it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed this DIY. I absolutely adore the way that this Valentine's tray came out. I just love all of the girly pink and the hearts, and not to mention the XO. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, or if you're inspired in any way. And it would mean the world to me if you shared this video with a friend who loves doing DIYs like we do. Also, please follow me on my Instagram at ChristyRocksXO. And until next time, XO till I overdose. Bye!